Well, good morning. I'm in Tuskegee National Forest this morning, and I'm about to start a Parks on the Air activation. Imagine that. It's a early morning. Got out here right after dawn this morning, and the sun is up enough now that I can record. So about to get set up and get on the air here in just a few minutes. So this morning I'm going to be using the mountain topper MTR4B version 2 with the Chelegance MC750. This is definitely one of my favorite combinations, and it's been a while since I've used the MC750 with the mountain topper, which they go really well together. I've been using some 100-watt radios, the Yaesu FT891. I've used that the past few activations, and man, I love that radio, and it's fun to run higher power sometimes, but there's something about QRP that's just really fun. I really am a QRP guy at heart, so I'm going to be getting back to that this morning with the mountain topper. So let's do it. Let me get my antenna set up, hook everything up, and we'll be on the air here in just a few minutes. All right, we are ready to rock and roll here. Got my log set up, radio on. I tentatively chose a frequency 7.038 on 40 meters. And just gonna call QRL, make sure this frequency is clear, and then start calling CQ. Double check my SWR's 1.0. Can't get better than that. All right, we sound good. Let's do it. Went ahead and posted my spot, so it should be ready to roll. Good coffee. Nothing like some Morse code and a cup of coffee to get the day started, especially on a Monday morning. Get the week started, really. If you want to get your week off to a good start, I don't know of a lot of better ways. Thought I heard somebody in there just a second ago. Good morning, Matt. North Carolina. Another North Carolina. And sorry about the road noise. Hi, morning, Mr. Perry. No, I heard an F in there. I am MNF. traffic, airplanes, all kinds of distractions here this morning. Oh, Kentucky. Thanks for the contact again, Dave. I actually hunted him on my way here this morning. Good morning, good morning. South Carolina. 2 BBs back to back. Fading. All right, man, that's a good little run right there. It's funny, the MC750 with a mountain topper, so just running 5 watts, but I think this is a pretty darn good antenna. I would say it outperforms the Yaesu FT891 with the ATOS 120 running 100 watts. I think this gets out better, just to be honest. I mean, don't get me wrong, the other combo is very convenient, and there's something to be said about convenience at times too. But yeah, a good antenna with QRP, with CW, you can do a lot. Another Kentucky. Pennsylvania. Heard a K in there. Come on now. Sorry, distractions. Texas. I get you? Ooh, fading there. South Carolina. Another Alabama. Nice strong signal for sure. frequency up here so I don't forget. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and sign off there, call it an activation. So that was a good one, and that was pretty smooth, steady flow of contacts the whole time. That's really my favorite kind, where it's not like a wild pile up, but it's a steady flow of contacts, and you can't really control that. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes you call CQ for an hour, and other times it's a constant pile up. Just really depends on the bands and how many people are hunting, and you know, all those kinds of fun things. So that's part of the fun of it, though, the unpredictability. It is just a lot of fun to get out in the field, to enjoy the fresh air, especially before the heat gets here in east central Alabama, because it will be very hot today, as well as I know it is in a lot of the country, and I know other parts of the country, like out west, are having even worse weather that's you know, more dangerous than heat. And you know, my thoughts and prayers are with folks out there. Stay safe. Yeah, so got to come out and enjoy the outdoors on a Monday morning before starting the rush of the work week and everything. So that's great. So I had to come out a little bit earlier this morning. Our oldest son is 2 years old, and he's starting preschool today. So I want to be back home before you know, my wife has to take him so I can see him before he leaves. So want to make sure I'm back in time for that. So got a good early start this morning and enjoyed it. So if you contacted me, thank you so much. If you didn't, then hope to get you in the log next time. Feel free to contact me at any speed. I'll be happy to slow down my spacing to match whatever you send. If I don't, I apologize. Sometimes I just don't realize, or I forget and get in the groove and don't think about it. But it's my intention to. So you know, feel free to tell me to slow down. QRS if you need me to slow down, but feel free to contact me at any speed, and I really appreciate you watching these videos. I hope they're helpful for you if you're practicing CW, if you already know CW and like me and just like listening to these videos and find it relaxing. You know, I hope that you enjoy them too. So 7-3 from W4ARB in Tuskegee National Forest. We'll catch you in the next video.